So there is another chef in town. I made my video earlier. Chef Dammy, she's cooking for 120 hours. Her own cookathon is for 120 hours, and she's going to break Hilda Baci's record that is yet to be confirmed by Guinness World Record of 120 hours, 100 hours cooking. But many people find it funny that Chef Dammy, while she's between 20 within the range of 20 hours, she already turned off her gas to pick beans. That's already a failure. And people are asking this question: does she have Guinness World Record official that are monitoring the processes that she's taking or following in her cooking? Because Hilda Baci had one. Hilda Baci invited Guinness World Record officials, and they were on ground to see what she was doing, to know, to confirm that she's actually doing it the right way. So the question now is, when you look at Chef Dammy's kitchen, she doesn't even have the menus. She doesn't even have foodstuffs to cook. Someone even made a joke that she has not even started and she's already serving half egg. But that doesn't matter. The requirement is that she continues cooking. But she already turned off her gas. That's minus already. And again, we are seeing dried corn on the floor. Is she going to boil dried corn or roast dried corn? I don't really understand. So my own criticism of Chef Dammy's 120 hours cookathon remains same. She should have waited for Guinness World Record to confirm Hilda Baci's own before she will embark her own. I see a lot of people making so much noise on social media. This is not good of our reputation as Nigerians. You have just seen that your own sister from the same country is yet to be confirmed by Guinness World Record, and Nigerians are praying that Guinness World Record confirms her, and all of a sudden you broke out from nowhere and you started cooking your own as well. Of course, before she could finish her own, another person from that same place could even come up and say, look, I could go for 200 hours. Another person, look, I could go for 1 month. It's crazy what I understand. Competition is good, positive one, but this one is not. Is not needed at this time. But if she can do it, who am I to argue? But I doubt if she could be able to hit that 120 hours. Now there are no doctors on ground. When you look at the environment, it's not even conducive for her to go that long 120 hours. So Chef Dammy should just go ahead, continue her cookathon. Let's see who Guinness World Record confirms. It could be that Guinness World Record could confirm her even before he did. That's what many people are thinking. If that happens, then you know that every other Nigerian who is a chef will start a cookathon.
6 more minutes to go.